Hello, my digital nomads, and in today's video, I just want to do a quick warning video to show what are the downsides of affiliate marketing and just show you real life examples through my own work. All right, so with that being said, the thing that I think is really the number one biggest concern when it comes down to affiliate marketing and the downside to it is that what the company can simply not pay you. Like, this is a real life example. So I used to promote 5 cloud hosts, and I had 2 websites on their hosting. I'm in the process of getting that transferred because of this. I promoted them really lightly and got $206 from it. Okay, and here's the proof right here. And then when I went to go ahead and request withdrawal, I had a whole bunch of drama happen to me, and this is just the beginning of it. So if you can see right here, it started from May 13th, requested withdrawal 206. All right. And then they say, oh, this is the first drama. Create a PayPal invoice for that amount. I did that. I took a screenshot of it, sent to them. They say, okay. I said, okay, here's the screenshot of everything. They said, thank you. Your ticket has been assigned. Just hold on, and then don't worry. Just contact us again if you have any problems. I contact them May 26th. It shouldn't take that long to pay. Nothing again. I hit withdrawal button again, 27th, nothing. 29th, nothing. I go ahead and take 2 screenshots again and trying to, remind them that they haven't paid me yet. May 29th, right? At this time, it's been about a month. Then they say, yeah, we assigned you to the billing department. Now, June 5th, I just straight up get real to them. I'm telling them, you didn't pay me. You lied to me. You said someone's going to contact me. I've waited over a month. I still haven't gotten paid. All right. I submitted again and again and again on the 16th. All right. So you got the 5th, the 6th, the 8th, the 16th, the 26th. And then they just sent me an email saying that, oh, we're just tech support guys. We don't handle billing. It's not our problem. So basically, what I'm trying to get down to is that, number one, when you do affiliate marketing, there's always a chance that the affiliate can either shortchange you when it comes down to your commission, or they can, in my case, simply not pay at all. And if they're in a country that's based in, maybe another country other than the U.S. or a Western country, it can be very difficult. From what I understand, I did speak to someone here, and they did claim that 5 cloud hosting business was in Romania. So maybe they think that because they're in Romania, that they can just take people's affiliate commission and not pay them. The other thing is, if you ever see this happening at an affiliate, then stop promoting them right away, because you don't want your customers to fall for this as well. Yeah, you can say, well, they don't pay affiliates, but it doesn't affect the customers. That's not true. If they're not paying the affiliates, the people that promote their services and recruit people and grow their organization, then and those people should take priority over anyone else. Then they definitely have a very high chance of messing with the customer's cash and not providing a value service. So when you see stuff like this, be transparent. Let everyone know that you promoted this, that what's going on. And secondly, try to get some kind of good lesson out of it. In this case, I'm just trying to share one of my downfalls. One of my mistakes is to maybe not check out the country or the place of business, but that's kind of hard to tell too. Like I've this is probably one of the only times I've ever not gotten paid. In some cases, I might have been shortchanged a little bit, but this is the one rare case where I've actually haven't been paid what was owed. So I don't know. Take what you want from this. If it was helpful and if it applies to you, then use it. And if you don't think it's of help for you, and you think I'm just talking gibberish, then you don't have to. I'm not the guru here. I'm just here to share exactly what I'm going through, so maybe you can avoid it in your business. And that's why I think it's good to also diversify. Some of your affiliate income. Don't. This is just a small affiliate that I promoted lightly. It wasn't really one of my main affiliates, so it doesn't really hurt me too bad. But it's very annoying when, you're promised 206 from affiliates, sales, and they keep lying to you. And my definition of lying is promising to do something and not doing it. That's very simple. So if you see this, stay clear of this hosting until at least until this is cleared up. But if not, I myself am moving my websites to a different hosting. Right now, I'm in the process of transferring everything because this is absolutely horrible. So when you pick an affiliate, make sure they have some kind of reputation behind them. Don't automatically assume that you're protected by some kind of law that forces affiliates programs to pay you. You might be protected by some kind of law, but how much would you have to pay to have that law protect you? Right? You would have to hire a lawyer and jump through XYZ hoops just to get $206 back. Maybe that's what they're betting on. Maybe this is what this company is betting on, and maybe I'm not the only one that they've done this to. So 206 here, 206 there, 300 there, 100 there. It adds up if you take from a lot of different people. So learn from my mistakes. And if you're interested in learning how to build your online course, you can go ahead and check out my link in the description and the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.